Hey, YouTubers and friends, thanks for stopping by and visiting Almost Live. Here I am at my stepson's studio, Creative Sound. There's Brian working on some tunes for some of my videos. You guys, if you have me on Facebook, you knew I was down here doing some mudding, and it's coming along really good. Brian's brother-in-law was here earlier doing a track for another song they're making. Brian hard at work for me. Say hi, Brian.
Hello.
Give a shout out for Creative Sounds.
Hey, this is Brian from Creative Sounds here in Nashville, Tennessee. Just working on making some music. Hopefully y'all hear it soon.
And what's your URL?
CreativeSoundNashville.com.
There you go, everybody. If you need to rent studio or have a songwriter write you up something, my stepson's the man. Well, we're going to get back to y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.